Today we're going to review the Superior Crescent Hill HD gas log set. This gas log set gives you the look and feel of real firewood without the ash or smoke. When first unboxing this gas log set, you'll notice it comes with an installation manual, which you can refer to in order to place the logs correctly on the burner. It's important to note that the log set will not function as intended if they're positioned incorrectly. The Crescent Hill HD log set is part of Superior's Double Flame series and comes in two standard sizes, 18 and 24 inches. Shown here is the 24-inch model. This log set is made from high-density fiber for a bright, natural look and long-lasting durability. It provides up to 36,000 BTUs, 99% heat efficiency, and features a clean burning design that allows you to operate the logs vented or vent-free. For vent-free burning, you can simply keep your fireplace damper closed and all the heat that's produced will stay inside your home. You can choose between natural gas and liquid propane configurations and a manual or millivolt ignition system to operate the fire. The manual ignition system features a variable high-low flame control. The millivolt ignition system comes remote ready and offers you the choice between a simple on-off remote, a thermostatic remote, or an on-off wall switch to control the fire. The thermostatic remote allows you to set and adjust the temperature for maximum convenience and comfort. You can also add the floor media kit, which includes lava rock, bark, and embers. Placing these on the fireplace floor will enhance the natural appearance of the logs for an even more authentic burning display. And there you have it, Superior's Crescent Hill HD gas log set. If you'd like to purchase this gas log set or any other Superior log sets, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or visit us online at www.woodlanddirect.com.